Today, we're going to unbox Dripto shoes here. I'm so excited about this. I'm going to open this up. Dripto token is here to stay, and I'm going to show you why, because I'm going to unbox this actual gift here. Got my box cutter here. I'm going to cut it right here. All right, okay. Open these bad boys up. They just got delivered not that long ago. Unboxing Dripto token. Check it out. Got the link in the description as well. So let's pull these out of this right now. Very wrapped up and very safe. So get this out, get this out. All right, so then let's see what we got here. Some really cool shoes. You can see Dripto right there. You kind of can see it in the actual camera. My name is Adam Shelton, by the way. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel for more cool updates and cool videos. You know, why not subscribe? Okay, so let's go and open this up right now. Let's look at these Dripto shoes. Oh, look at this. It's Nike. It's Nike. I am a big Nike fan. Big Nike fan. Dripto token. Can you imagine that Dripto gets a partnership with Nike? Anyway, so let me go ahead and check something out real quick. And look at these bad boys. And this is what we got here. Dripto token. These bad boys, these Nikes low top. I can go ahead and take a walk with this right now. So unboxing these bad boys, white and black Nike. And oh, by the way, we got a little certified little signal there, so it makes it really official. I'm excited. Dripto token from San Francisco, California. I'm excited. Look at these bad boys. Boom, boom. The captain's here. Unboxing Dripto token shoes. Click on the link below. Get involved in Dripto. And oh, by the way, those Dripto Grails each and every single week. You need to have 50,000 or more to participate. So if I'm you, I'll go and click on the link below. Get involved. Do your research. My name is Adam Shelton signing out. I'm going to go ahead and try these bad boys on right now.